In the ever-evolving landscape of automotive performance, Toyota has made a bold move with its 2025 GR Supra, signaling a significant shift in both powertrain options and pricing strategy. The latest iteration of this iconic sports car bids farewell to the four-cylinder engine, a decision aimed at refining the Supra's performance pedigree. This change marks a deliberate step towards enhancing the driving experience for enthusiasts who crave uncompromising power and agility. Gone is the four-cylinder engine that once provided an entry-level option. Instead, Toyota has streamlined the GR Supra lineup to focus exclusively on its potent six-cylinder engine, delivering exhilarating acceleration and responsive handling. This strategic move underscores Toyota's commitment to catering to driving purists who seek uncompromising performance on the road and track alike. Beyond the engine lineup, Toyota has also adjusted the pricing structure for the 2025 GR Supra. With an increase of $1,750 over its predecessor, the new pricing reflects not only the enhanced performance capabilities but also the continued investment in advanced technology and premium features. Despite the price adjustment, the GR Supra remains competitive within its segment, offering unparalleled value for enthusiasts who prioritize performance and craftsmanship. The design philosophy of the 2025 GR Supra continues to embody Toyota's dedication to aerodynamic efficiency and aesthetic appeal. Sleek lines and a distinctive silhouette blend seamlessly with aggressive styling cues, reinforcing the Supra's unmistakable presence on the road. Inside the cockpit, drivers are greeted by a driver-centric environment that merges cutting-edge technology with ergonomic comfort, ensuring a connected and engaging driving experience. Underpinning the 2025 GR Supra is Toyota's commitment to innovation and reliability. Advanced safety features and driver assistance technologies provide peace of mind without compromising the thrill of the drive. From adaptive cruise control to lane-keeping assist, each enhancement is carefully integrated to support the driver while preserving the Supra's dynamic character. The introduction of the 2025 Toyota GR Supra marks a new chapter in the legacy of this iconic sports car. By refining its powertrain offerings and adjusting pricing to reflect its enhanced capabilities, Toyota reaffirms its position as a leader in performance engineering and automotive innovation. Whether carving through mountain passes or navigating urban streets, the GR Supra promises an exhilarating driving experience that exceeds expectations. As automotive enthusiasts eagerly await the arrival of the 2025 GR Supra, Toyota's commitment to pushing boundaries and setting new benchmarks in performance remains unwavering. With each innovation and refinement, the GR Supra continues to captivate drivers worldwide, embodying the relentless pursuit of automotive excellence that defines Toyota's legacy.